Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel U3, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using home screen as an example for this, and from there all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. Oh, there we go. Now the latency here is a little bit staggering, so it looks like instead of holding, you actually click it, and once you do, it captures screenshot, which later on you can find in your gallery application. So I'm going to open it up and allow access to it, and from here you can navigate to albums, which should have a screenshot album, which there we go, screenshot, and then here we have a couple of screenshots. There we go. So as you can see, those are the two screenshots. And that is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.